Welcome back, students. Hope all of you have understood the Griffiths experiment that we discussed in our last class. So today we will move on to the next experiment, second experiment. It is Avery, MacLeod and McCarty's experiment. Okay. In your NCERT book, you will get it as biochemical characterization of transforming principle. Okay. So in Griffiths experiment, we found that Griffiths said that some transforming principle transferred from heat-killed S bacteria to R-type bacteria. Okay. He said that some transforming principle from heat-killed S-type bacteria transferred to R-type bacteria, which enabled the R-type bacteria to synthesize the polysaccharide code and also to become virulent. Okay. But he also said that this must be due to the transfer of genetic material, right? But in his experiments, Griffith could not determine what the transforming principle actually was, right? Okay, so three scientists, Avery, MacLeod and McCarty, in 1944, they restarted Griffith's experiment. Why? To determine the biochemical nature of transforming principle. Okay? So what they did, they purified biochemicals. They purified biochemicals like DNA, protein and RNA from heat-killed S-type bacterial cell. Heat-killed. Okay. What they did, they first killed some S-type bacteria by heat treatment and they purified, means separated biochemicals like protein, RNA and DNA from this heat-killed S bacterial cell, right? Why? To see among them which one could transform living R bacteria into living S-type bacterial cell. Okay, do you get it? They purified these biochemicals from heat-killed S bacterial cell to see which one could cause transformation of R bacteria into S-type bacteria. Okay. So after their separation, they added each of these biochemicals in culture plate of R bacteria to see their transforming ability. Okay. What they did? They added each of these biochemicals in the culture plate of R bacteria to see their transforming ability. Now you have to know what is a culture plate. Okay. See, microorganisms like bacteria can be grown artificially in the laboratory by providing their suitable nutritive medium in a glass plate. Suppose these are three glass plates. So these are called culture plate. Okay. So these three culture plates, they contain living R bacteria. Suppose these are R bacteria. Okay. So Avery, MacLeod and McCarty, they tested each of these biochemicals for their transforming ability by adding them in separate culture plate of R bacteria. Okay. What they found, when they added protein and RNA of heat-killed S-type bacterial cell, addition of these two biochemical, suppose in that culture plate they added protein of heat-killed S cell, or in that suppose they added RNA of heat-killed S cell in that culture plate. Okay. So they found that addition of protein and RNA of heat-killed S bacterial cell did not transform R bacteria into S-type bacteria. Okay. But when they added DNA fraction of heat-kill S bacterial cell in the culture plate containing R bacteria, it transformed some R bacterial cell into S-type bacteria. You get it? I repeat the sentence. When they added DNA fraction of heat-kill S-type bacteria, it transformed R bacteria into S-type bacteria. Thus, they discovered that DNA of heat-kill S bacteria was responsible for transformation of R-type bacteria into S-type bacteria in Griffith's experiment. Clear? They also confirmed their findings by adding 3 enzymes. These are all the 3 are digesting enzymes. Suppose protease, proteases, RNases and DNases. For their confirmation, they added these enzymes. All these are digesting enzymes. Digesting enzymes. You know, digesting enzyme means, suppose this is proteases. So it digests protein. It can break protein. Okay. RNases, it can digest RNA. And DNases, they are DNA digesting enzymes. They can break DNA. Okay. So Ebari, MacLeod and McCarthy, they added these 3 enzymes in the culture plate of R bacteria where already the R bacteria had been transforming into S-type bacteria. Clear? They added these enzymes in that culture plate where already the transformation process is going on. Right? They discovered that addition of protease and RNase in that culture plate of R bacteria did not affect the transformation process. They did not affect the transformation process. So, the transforming substance was not a protein or a RNA, isn't it? If protein or RNA was responsible for transformation of R bacteria to S type, then addition of protease or RNase, means protein digesting enzyme and RNA digesting enzymes, could have stopped the transformation process, but they could not, isn't it? So the transforming substance was not a protein or RNA. Clear? But when they added DNA digesting enzyme DNase in that culture plate, then it stopped the transformation process. You get it? When they added DNA digesting enzyme in that culture plate where already the transformation process was going on, it stopped the transformation process, right? Suggesting that DNA caused the transformation of R bacteria into living S-type bacteria. Okay? So thus they proved, this experiment proved that DNA can be transferred from one organism to another. DNA can be transferred from one organism to another and continue to express its genetic quality in the next organism also. Here you can see the DNA from heat-kill S bacteria transferred to R-type bacteria. Okay, where the DNA of heat-kill S bacteria enable the R bacteria to synthesize the polysaccharide coat and also to become virulent, isn't it? So DNA can be transferred from one organism to another, and the DNA of heat-kill S bacteria continues to express its character, means synthesis of polysaccharide coat and also the disease causing capacity. It continues to express its genetic qualities, its character in the R bacteria also. So this experiment proved that genetic material DNA can be transferred from one organism to another and continues to express its genetic qualities. So this experiment indicated that DNA is the genetic material of organism. DNA is the genetic material of organism. Okay, and it is not destroyed by killing the cells by heat treatment. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Let me repeat the whole experiment briefly. See, in Griffith experiment, though he said that some transforming principle transferred from heat kill S-type bacteria to R-type bacteria, and this transforming principle enabled the R-type bacteria to synthesize the mucus coat and also to become virulent. Means this transforming principle transformed R bacteria into S-type bacteria. But Griffith could not determine the biochemical nature of his transforming principle, right? So after him, three scientists, Avery, McLeod and McCarty, they worked on Griffith's experiment to find out the biochemical nature of transforming principle. Okay. For their experiment, they first separated, they purified biochemicals like protein, RNA and DNA from heat kill S bacterial cells. Do you get this point? See, they first kill some S-type bacterial cells, and from these bacterial cells, they separated their biochemicals like protein, RNA and DNA. Why? To see which one could transform R bacteria into S-type bacteria. Then they added each of these biochemicals, means protein, RNA and DNA, in the separate culture plate of R bacteria for their transforming ability, to see their transforming ability. And they found that when they added DNA fraction of heat kill S-type bacteria in the culture plate containing living R bacteria, it transformed R bacteria into S-type bacteria, indicating that DNA was responsible in Griffith's experiment for transformation of R-type bacteria into S-type bacteria. Clear? They also confirmed their findings by adding three digesting enzymes, protease, RNase and DNase in the culture plate where R bacteria had been transforming into S-type bacteria. Then they found that addition of protease, protein digesting enzyme, which can break protein molecule, and also addition of RNase, RNA digesting enzyme, did not affect the transformation process of R bacteria to S bacteria. So the transforming substance was not a protein or RNA. Okay. When they added DNase, DNA digesting enzyme, in that culture plate where transformation process was going on, then addition of this digesting enzyme, DNA digesting enzyme, stopped the transformation process, suggesting that DNA caused the transformation of living R bacteria into living S bacteria. Okay. Thus they proved that DNA is the genetic material of organism, because you know it well that the material which encloses the information necessary for expression of character is called genetic material. Okay. So the transforming principle which transferred from S bacteria into R bacteria, it can express two new characters in the R bacteria, means definitely it is the genetic material. Definitely it was the transfer of genetic material, isn't it? So does this experiment prove the DNA as genetic material, and they also proved that DNA can be transferred from one organism to another and it continues to express its character in the second organism also. Okay. Now come to the questions that may come from this experiment. Question may come like that: describe the experiment conducted by Avery, McLeod and McCarty. Okay, or it may also come like that: write a note on biochemical characterization of transforming principle. Okay, the answer will be same. You have to describe the whole experiment. Okay, in my last class when we discussed Griffith's experiment, we forgot to tell about the question. Let me tell. In Griffith's experiment, usually you will have a long question as describe the Griffith's experiment, or describe the experiment conducted on bacterial transformation. You know, the Griffiths experiment is also known as experiment on bacterial transformation. Experiment on bacterial transformation. Why? Because you know that in Griffiths experiment, the bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae had changed in physical form, isn't it? In Griffiths experiment, R bacteria transformed into S type bacteria. So this experiment is also known as experiment on bacterial transformation. So question may come as describe the Griffiths experiment. Then you will have 3 marks for the experiment, then 1 mark for the conclusion. Conclusion means what Griffiths said based on the findings of his experiments, means about transforming principle. Then you will have 1 mark for diagram. So total 5 marks, long question actually. And this question may also come as experiment, describe the experiment on bacterial transformation. From Griffiths experiment, a short question, very short question may also come. Name the organism on which Griffith conducted his experiment. Then what will your answer, student? The answer will be the name of organism on which Griffith conducted his experiment. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Do remember, it is not the mice. Remember, the organism on which Griffith conducted his experiment is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay. So I would like to stop here today. In my next class, we will discuss the third experiment to prove DNA genetic material, and this experiment gave the most convincing proof that DNA is the genetic material of organism and not the protein. Okay. Thank you.